Are you looking at cable tie guns? Cable tie guns are indispensable tools for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, offering efficiency and precision when organizing cables, securing items, or performing repairs. With varying levels of tension control, durability, and ergonomic design, choosing the right cable tie gun can significantly impact productivity and user comfort. In this review, list the Klein Tools 86570 Tie Tensioning Tool. The Klein Tools 86570 Tie Tensioning Tool is a mid-range option designed for nylon cable ties rated between 120 and 250 pounds. Its standout features include a tensioning capability of up to 65 pounds, comfortable handle grips, and a straightforward lever mechanism for cutting excess tie material. The tool is compact and lightweight, making it suitable for on-the-go professionals working with truck wiring or similar applications. Its black and orange design is both functional and visually appealing. Customer reviews praise its reliability and ease of use, particularly for heavy-duty cables. During testing, the Klein Tools 86570 performed consistently, delivering precise tension and clean cuts. The ergonomic grips reduced hand fatigue during extended use, making it a solid choice for professionals handling large volumes of cable ties. However, the 65-pound tension limit may not suffice for users requiring higher tensile strength. Additionally, while the tool is durable, it lacks advanced features like adjustable tension settings found in higher-end models. Overall, it's a dependable option for medium-duty applications. List number 42709 Zip Tie Gun Cable Tie Install Tool. The RV Roads 42709 Zip Tie Gun is a budget-friendly option with adjustable tension and a built-in cutter for nylon ties up to 1/4 inch wide. Its alloy steel construction ensures durability, while the ergonomic design prioritizes user comfort. This tool is particularly well-suited for organizing cables or light-duty applications. The 12-month warranty adds peace of mind for buyers concerned about long-term reliability. In practice, the RV Roads 42709 excels in simplicity and ease of use. The adjustable tension feature accommodates various cable tie sizes, while the built-in cutter ensures clean results. However, its performance diminishes with heavier-duty ties, as the tool lacks the robustness of higher-end models. Users seeking a straightforward solution for home or office use will find this model adequate, but professionals may need a more versatile tool. List number 10 GTEC Cable Tie Gun. Fastening. The 10 GTEC Cable Tie Gun is the most affordable tool in this comparison, offering basic functionality for nylon cable ties between 2.4 millimeters and 4.8 millimeters in width. It features a high-carbon steel blade for durability and a flush-cut mechanism for neat installations. The blue plastic housing is lightweight yet sturdy, making it a practical choice for occasional use. While the 10 GTE Cable Tie Gun performs adequately in light-duty scenarios, its limitations become apparent during heavy or prolonged use. The tension adjustment works well for smaller ties, but the tool struggles with precision and cutting consistency on larger ties. Users looking for a budget option for simple tasks will appreciate its price point, but professionals may find its performance lacking for demanding applications. List number: Stainless Steel Cable Tie Gun. The Manesi Stainless Steel Cable Tie Gun offers a unique combination of a durable metal construction and a bundled set of 100 stainless steel cable ties. Designed for fastening and cutting metal zip ties, this tool is ideal for automotive, outdoor, and industrial applications. Its robust design ensures longevity, while the included cable ties save users time and money. During testing, the Manesi tool demonstrated excellent performance with metal cable ties, providing clean cuts and secure fastening. Its all-metal construction ensures durability, making it suitable for harsh environments. However, the tool's weight and size may be cumbersome for prolonged use or intricate tasks. Users seeking a heavy-duty solution for outdoor or industrial applications will find this model highly effective. List number 5. Panduit GTSE Ergonomic Hand-Operated Cable Tie Gun. The Panduit GTSE is the premium option in this comparison, boasting an ergonomic design and advanced cutoff mechanism to minimize hand impact. Designed for professionals, this tool offers low handle force and exceptional precision, making it ideal for high-volume applications. Its black and red design is sleek and functional, and its US origin ensures high manufacturing standards. In testing, the Panduit GTSE delivered superior performance, particularly in terms of comfort and precision. The ergonomic handle reduced fatigue during extended use, while the advanced cutoff mechanism ensured clean results every time. Its high price point may deter casual users, but for professionals requiring reliability and efficiency, this tool is an excellent investment.